Number 1. Mainland PVC Thread Maker Tool. The pipe threader kit contains 3 kinds of thread manufacturing size molds: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch. Thread standard is NPT, which will meet your multiple needs in work. The dies are made of alloy, high hardness, wear resistant, and its service life. Threads are clear and burr-free. Alloy edges retain its sharpness for a precise cut every time, very suitable for PVC plastic pipe. The handle is made of hard plastic, T-shaped design, comfortable to hold, more labor-saving.
Number 2. C2M Heavy Duty Floating Tool Shelf and Organizer. Wall-mounted garage storage rack for handheld and power tools.
Number 3. Safety Seal 2-inch Mechanical Test Plug. Fits all pipe material that is 2 inches, PVC, cast iron, DWV, and ABS, mechanical operation safe, fast, and dependable. Max head pressure, 100 feet, PSIG pressure 50 PSIG, no backsplash draining. 2-stage locking pin locks plug into test position, locks plug into drain position. Number 4. Twist and Seal Max Heavy Duty Outdoor Extension Cord Safety Cover Connector and Weatherproof Electrical Protector. Perfect for keeping water, mud, and melting snow away from larger extension cord connections. No more tripped outlets or interruptions in power when the job site gets wet and muddy. Unique and patented design will keep large, 10 to 16 gauge, extension cord connections dry all season long. Simply place your connections inside and clamp latches down. Specifically designed to fit heavy-duty 10 to 16 gauge outdoor extension cord connections. See the Twist and Seal cord dome for protection for oversized 10 and 30 amp connections. Helps prevent tripped outlets and reduce the risk of electrical shock. Independently lab tested to meet and exceed NEMA standards for protection against rain, sleet, and ice.
Number 5. Wirefy Heat Shrink Tubing Kit.
Recovers to 1/3 of its original diameter and makes a tight seal. Eliminates the problem of 2 to 1 tubing not shrinking tight enough. When heat is applied, adhesive comes out and seals the connection, creating waterproof and long-lasting insulation. Included 7 most commonly used diameters ranging from 3/32 inch to 3/4 inch. Shrink tubing is pre-cut to 3.5 inches. Simply slide heat shrink tube over your connection point and apply heat. Professional connections made in seconds. Outer wall provides abrasion resistance. Inner wall creates waterproof seal and strain relief.
Number 6. Max Power Swedish Pipe Wrench. Swedish type pipe wrenches feature slim head, allow to access tight space and corner, ideal for front end alignment, tie rods, plumbing fittings, recommend for plumbers and homeowners. Knurled steel adjustment nut easily lock onto a variety of positions. Safety stop prevents threading off. Water pump pliers with 90 degrees jaw, suit for gripping square objects. The straight jaws have the advantage of wider opening and gripping objects with parallel forces. Number 7. Get-A-Hand Flex Head Adjustable Wrench. Easy to adjust the length of the wrench to meet your need and save your labor. Unique handle adopts a retractable extension shank, which can be easily transformed into a 10-inch, 11-inch, and 12-inch wrench. Just pull down the ratcheting switch. You can turn the traditional wrench into a ratchet wrench, so you can tighten the screws more labor-saving. Movable two-side jaw allows you can change the traditional wrench into a pipe wrench, providing you with more options. Allows the head to rotate up to 180 degrees to access hard-to-reach fasteners.
Number 8. IFU Mini Electric Screwdriver 42-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. The Precision Screwdriver Set comes with 37 precision bits. Various screwdriver bits of different specifications can easily meet different needs. Suitable for smartphone, laptop, camera, watch, computer, keyboard, glasses, RC model, joystick, drone, small handheld devices, and so on. 360 degrees shadowless lighting design, embed 3 LED lights to illuminate the work area. Dim corners can also become bright, allowing you to always maintain a clear vision. Number 9. WorkPro 12-volt Cordless Rotary Toolkit. WorkPro rotary tools are small handheld devices with rapidly spinning motor tips designed to accept a wide range of bits and attachments. This makes them perfect not only for a wide range of household tasks, including repairs and maintenance, but also for crafting and hobbies. There are even rotary tool attachments designed to care for pets' toenails.
Number 10. Saker 3-inch Cordless Angle Grinder. The wireless angle grinder features a powerful motor that delivers up to 16,800 RPM rotation speed. This feature enhances the life of the product. The angle grinder features a lightweight and easy to handle, providing increased user precise control in various indoors and outdoors applications.